Now, some years ago, my mom bought our family a Christmas present, which was a foosball table. Now, foosball is table soccer. Some of y'all who aren't, don't know the lingo of today, but that is where you get there, you twist, and you play a soccer game on a table. Well, she brought this large box over. They had loaded it up at Sam's Club, brought it over, and it was about half the size of a door and about 4 times as thick. And we muscled that thing up to a second floor in our home in Tulsa. And it said on the box, "Some assembly required." For the next 5 hours, I worked on that thing, trying to get it going the right direction. And I got it put together and realized the guys were facing the wrong way, so everybody's on the same team. So I had to turn it around, work on another hour to fix that. But it took a long time with that "some assembly required." But that's the tag that's on the church too. Assembly is required. Some assembly is necessary. If you are the body of Christ, it is necessary that we be together as a body. Johns Hopkins University did a study, and they discovered that attending church is good for your health. That a person who goes to church at least one time a week has half the risk of a fatal heart disease as a person who doesn't go to church that much. Goes on to discover that a person who lives a clean life associated with a regular church going is statistically related to lower incidence of major diseases in life.